Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down menu to your landing page in Kajabi. This is a fantastic way to organize your navigation and make it easier for visitors to find exactly what they're looking for without cluttering your header space. First, you'll need to open your Kajabi site by heading to your Kajabi login page and signing in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your site management tools are accessible. Next, navigate to the website section by locating it in the left-hand menu. Click on it and you'll see an expanded list of options appear. From these options, select Landing Pages. This section houses all your landing pages and gives you the ability to edit and customize them. Under the Landing Pages section, you'll be presented with a list of all the content you have in your Kajabi account. Take a moment to look through this list and find the specific landing page where you want to add the drop-down menu. Click on it to proceed. Once you've selected your landing page, you'll be directed to the landing page editor. This is where all the magic happens. Look at the left side menu and you'll see an option named Header. Click on it to access the header customization settings, which is where your drop-down menu will live. Now on the header customization menu, scroll down until you find an option labeled Add Block. Click on it and you'll see several content options available. Under the basic content section, click on drop-down menu. This is the element that will allow you to create that organized navigation structure. From here, you can fully customize your drop-down menu content. Start by entering your menu text, which is what visitors will see in your header. Then, configure the expanded window that appears when someone clicks on it using the Select Menu option. You can also customize the color scheme, background styling, and alignment to match your brand perfectly. Once you're satisfied with all your customization choices, click Save to apply the changes. And there you have it, you've successfully added a drop-down menu to your Kajabi landing page, giving your visitors a cleaner, more intuitive way to navigate your content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.